All right, there is growing concern about the health of the NYPD during the pandemic. The number of sickouts due to the coronavirus is now rising once again, and the police commissioner is sending out a message to the entire force. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor live in Midtown with more this noon. Alice?
Chris, the NYPD commissioner is pleading with NYPD members, take every precaution and wear a mask. He says this increase is actually not surprising. Earlier this week at St. Patrick's Cathedral, a remembrance for the 46 members of the NYPD who died due to COVID-19, and now continued concerns.
Ordinarily, we're at about 3.2% sick. We've seen that number grow the last week.
NYPD Commissioner Dermot Shea addressed the force in a video message.
It's not totally unexpected. Everything that we've heard was about a resurgence, the flu season, things of that nature. So this is somewhat expected.
He says in July, August, and September, the NYPD had about 42 uniformed and civilian members out sick each month from COVID-19.
In the first 6 days of this month, we have 36 people out sick. So we are seeing an uptick. Where are we seeing it? Well, we're seeing it spread through the city, and we're doing contact tracing and trying to, through testing and common sense standards, push it back down.
He says the 48th Precinct and Detective Squad have 5 members out with COVID-19. The 71st Precinct in Brooklyn has 4 members. A couple of precincts, he says, have 3, 2, and 1.
We don't want those 1s and 2s to spread to 5s and 6s and 8s, all right, and have a repeat of what we had in March. So double down on safety precautions. Be a good partner and tell your partner to throw a mask on.
When it comes to the FDNY, it had about 11 COVID-19 related deaths. A spokesperson says for its members, medical leave has held at the same low rates for quite some time. Currently, COVID sick leave has been at or under 3% for fire and EMS for weeks now. Commissioner Shea is particularly concerned because he says the month of October will be busy for the NYPD, potentially more protests, Halloween, and then, of course, next month with the election. Outside of Midtown North, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.